Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here with the Skywalker Smart. I have installed the Bigawa autopilot. So far everything on the ground seems to be working very well. Let's see how it goes in the air, how the balancing and stabilization works, and let's see if the plane comes back home. After that I would be able to install the FPV system and give it a flight. We are going to crash because we are tail heavy. The CG is bad, but the stabilization has taken over, so it makes it easier to control the plane. Gotta land with the stabilization. Keep up the speed, and stabilization saved the plane.
The wind is coming from here. Yeah.
And the battery already shows no power at all. That's a stupid battery I have inside, very old one. It shows no battery.
Yeah, what small battery?
Second attempt with the CG, the battery moved forward. Much better now, yes. Stabilization on, and it is flying superb. So after I put the HD camera, it will be fine actually. Before this old battery dies, let me just test the auto return to home. Okay, it's coming back home. Wonderful, it did come back home. Don't go to the road, please. It did come back home. Awesome. So the autopilot is working properly, but shifting from the autopilot to auto return to home gives us a little bit of jerky flight. No worries, I have to dial down the stabilization sensitivity now. I just saw the wobbles, up and down kind of movement, and it should be fine. Flies really nice, see? Smooth, hands-free. Turns are good and smooth. Now we have to land. These arrow and bow guys have chosen a very wrong place, because this is my landing spot. I hope they don't shoot my airplane. With the stabilization, it's going like that in waves. Alright, so auto return to home is working, right? It will come back home, right?
Yeah, I thought you were going to hit the power lines.
Alright, let's put on the FPV system then and enjoy some FPV.